Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Many people wonder if they can change the organizer of an Outlook meeting once it's already scheduled. The direct answer is no, you cannot simply transfer the organizer role for an existing Outlook meeting to a different person. Once a meeting is created, the individual who sent the initial invitation is permanently designated as its organizer. This design is fundamental to how Outlook manages calendar events. The organizer holds unique permissions and responsibilities. Only the organizer can send out updates to the meeting, such as changes to the time or location. They are also the sole person who can officially cancel the meeting, which removes it from everyone's calendar. Furthermore, the organizer is responsible for tracking all attendee responses, like who has accepted, declined, or tentatively accepted the invitation. This system ensures clear accountability and control over the event details. So, if a new person truly needs to take over as the organizer, there is a specific workaround you must follow. First, the original organizer absolutely must cancel the existing meeting. This step is vital to prevent confusion and to free up everyone's calendar. Then, the person who needs to become the new organizer must create an entirely new meeting from scratch. They will need to invite all the same attendees. They should also make sure to use the exact same date, time, and location as the original meeting. Don't forget to copy over any important agenda items or notes from the old invite. While this process means recreating the event, it is the only effective way to assign a new organizer in Outlook. This method ensures the new organizer gains full control and visibility for managing the event going forward, guaranteeing proper calendar management.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.